Good. Ladies and gentlemen, Mark.
Do you know what my favorite animal is? People can have so many different favorite animals, but I will tell you about my favorite. My favorite animal is my parrot. Let me tell you why my parrot is my favorite animal. First, my parrot's name is Bebe. It is a very cool name. Bebe is so cute. Bebe is green, blue, and white. Its forehead is orange and its ears are gray. My parrot is very cold and beautiful. Bebe has very strong beak, so he came by my family. He hurts a little bit when he got me. I want to teach Bebe Korean, but we can't. Still, this was smart. When anyone in our family says Bebe, it comes flying and lands on the Turkish shoulder. That's one of the reasons I love Bebe so much. Second, I will tell you how I got my special parrot Bebe. Last Christmas, I wanted a parrot because it is a really good animal. I think parrots are smart and pretty too, and I like them. I asked my father if he could get me a parrot for Christmas. My father said sure, and I was so happy. I knew when my aunt had a parrot. She gave it to my father, and he brought it home. I asked him about it all the times. He said that I should wait, so I waited patiently. After a while, my father brought Bebe to me. Bebe was friendly, and by the second day, we were best friends. Last, some other animals are also good, but the reason I prefer my pet is that it is more colorful. It is also much more cute than any other animals. And whenever I see Bebe, I am happy. I am always proud of him. In conclusion, many people raise parrots. Even parrots love them. I will always love Bebe. We will always enjoy our time together. Bebe, I love you. Thanks for listening to my speech.